no strings tying you to me.
Hello guys, you are all welcome to Jenny's British Diction and Accent in English course. It's still your favorite teacher, Jenny. Last section, we talked about the letters of the alphabet, pronunciation tips, etiquette, grammar correct English expression, and the English speech sounds. And I said that the English speech sounds are 44 in number, which are grouped into two, the consonant sounds and the vowel sounds. We picked the vowel sounds last section, and we said that the vowel sounds are divided into three, and they are 1. The monophthong sounds, 2. Diphthong sounds, and 3. Triphthong sounds. This will lead us to our today's topic, which is the monophthong sounds. Monophthong sounds. What is a monophthong sound? A monophthong sound, also called a pure vowel sound, is a vowel sound that is produced with one sound segment. It has one sound segment. This means in the production of a monophthong sound, one perceives one vowel quality from the beginning of the production to the end. Therefore, there is no alteration of the sound whatsoever. No matter how you stress the production of the vowel sound, it won't change the sound from one sound segment to another. There are 12 monophthong sounds in English, which are further divided into two: the long vowel sounds and the short vowel sounds. Let us take the short vowel sound first. The short vowel sounds are those vowel sounds that are not stressed in its production. They are 7 in number and they include E, E, A, O, On the other hand, the long vowels are those vowel sounds that are stressed in its production. Physically, they have two dots, that is, they have color marks afterwards. Remember, the short ones are not stressed, and then the long ones, they are stressed. They are 5 in number, and the examples equals Let us make word examples with these vowel sounds. Let's start with the short vowel sounds, which have 7 in number. In, it, in, and,
So much attention,
and,
when you're moving in another direction. Don't worry, I get it.
and,
I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn. We can still have fun now. No one ever wanna play like the family's with us. Like having you.
Now let's go to the long vowel sounds. The long vowel sounds. Listen carefully.
We can still have fun now. Yeah, we can still have fun now. Oh, we can still have fun now.
Fall.
Happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn. We can still have fun now.
Food. School. You see the difference? The long ones are stressed, while the short ones are not stressed. For example, E. E. The long one is stressed. E. It. Let us try to compare the two vowel sounds together, the short and the long one. Listen carefully. E. E. It. Eat. Oh. Oh. Off. Fall. Up.
Stop paying so much attention.
Ant.
When you're moving in another
Car.
direction. Don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden.
Search.
I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn. We can still have fun for now. No one ever wanna play.
There are two vowel sounds that cannot be compared rather than sound similar, and the examples of short vowel sounds they are and
Yeah, we can still have fun for now.
away,
We can still have fun for now.
away.
Happy in your company with no emotion.
Here comes the end of our today's lesson. I hope you learned something today. Don't forget to make use of your dictionary to look for more word examples that contains the sounds we learned today. Thanks so much for your time and interest in this program. I love you all and God bless you. Bye-bye.
With you, but I like having you around. Fully aware this is a flash in the pan. We can still have fun for now. So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it.